Welcome to Lydia's Plate. I'm a stay-at-home mom who is homesteading together with my husband and 4 kids. We do gardening, house cleaning, all the homesteading stuff, baking bread, experimenting with gluten-free foods for one of our kids, animals, and the like. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned and welcome to our channel. Hey there everyone, welcome back to Lydia's Plate. Today I am working on our new bed project and I'm doing it all by myself, so I'm gonna move this mattress out of here and get to the painting. We've decided we want a two-tone look, so I'm going to be painting the sides black, and then the footboard is going to be stained, and I'm sorry I did not think ahead to take pictures or videos of the headboard, but you will see it at the end. So first I'm just laying down newspapers. I want to protect the floor and not have to worry too much about how careful I need to paint. Just gives me a little more leeway, and yeah, this bed is very strongly built, so it is quite heavy, but I'm gonna get it done. There we go, the newspapers are all under and that night table needs to go. So out it goes, and I'm going to stir up the paint. Now that the paint is all stirred up, I can get to painting. I didn't think of it right away when I was laying down the newspapers that it might be a good idea to pull the bed off of the wall a bit too, so I'm going to quickly do that. So here I'm just tucking some newspaper into here because I don't want to get black paint on this footboard here where we want to stain it. So I'm going to protect it, and I'm just using regular Scotch tape to hold this newspaper down. It works just fine. I was out of masking tape or painter's tape, so this is doing the trick. I'll give you a close-up in a few seconds. Now when we built this bed frame, we did sand down all the boards that would be touchable, so like where our mattress sits on, those boards or those sides of the boards all got sanded, and then all the way around the outer edges and underneath everywhere where I am going to paint, that has all been sanded. But we did not bother with sanding the very undersides where we'll never touch. I wasn't concerned with that, and I wanted to get the project done. Every once in a while I'm finding a bristle from the brush that has come off, and I'm trying to pick it out of the paint. You can see here on this one support that is just two 2x6s nailed together or screwed together, and Mark has just put putty in between the boards there to give it a smooth edge for me to be able to paint over. So I'm almost done here, just gonna finish up this last little bit, and then I went and had lunch. By the time I came back from lunch, this was way dry enough that I could do a second coat. So you'll see me start a little bit with the second coat, and then we'll move on to varnishing the footboards there. So here we are a couple days later. This paint has dried very well. We've also given the bed a quarter turn, and now I'm going to varnish these footboards. Just to give you a little bit different view and everything for it, instead of doing transitions and cutting and pasting pieces out, I'm just going to speed this up for those who like to see the entire project, but not as slowly as what the painting was. I just thought maybe this would appeal to some people compared to the way I did the painting with the black. I hope you enjoy. just about done here now, and I'm going to add on a clip at the end here where you can see the completely finished bed in its place, all put back together, and I'll give you a few glimpses there underneath the blanket as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video and maybe it's motivated or inspired you to build some of your own furniture. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, hit that bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!